What is up, guys? Thank you guys very much for tuning in today. You're back here on TK's Garage, and today I'm doing a quick military lot walk around. I might squeeze this in with something else here online, but let's go ahead and get directly into it. And I'm also live streaming on Instagram at the moment, so you can say hi to everybody. If you don't follow me on TK's Garage, you're missing stuff early. That's all I can say. Let's get into it. And there we go. All right, there is a Durango Citadel. Is this even called a Durango? I don't know. They say this as Citadel. Hey, what's up, JJ's Cars and Advice? That's another YouTube channel y'all should follow. We're live streaming on Instagram in case you guys wonder who the hell I'm talking to in this video. Durango 2015 Durango Citadel. It does have the 5.7 V8, 390 all-wheel drive, huh? 22,000. Ooh, back away. Slowly back away. Let me give. Look, I'm not mad. I understand why these guys are selling them for what they sell them for, because they're just trying to kill their notes before they go overseas, you know. So it is what it is. That's clean though. We've already seen that 240ZX, but for you guys that are live on Instagram, I'll give you guys a look at it. Let me stop messing with my mask. All right, this is 9,500, and it is a 2013 Dodge Charger rear-wheel drive police. This is actually an ex-Border Patrol car right here. Look at that. So that's going to have the 5.7 V8 with no displacement on demand. If you didn't know that, most police vehicles do not have displacement on demand, meaning you'll never have to replace one of those stupid ass solenoids like I had to do in the Aspen here recently, because one of the damn displacement on demand things got stuck open. So not a valve, it was just a solenoid, but it's a pain in the ass, let me tell you. Major pain in the ass. So, oh man, there's that Border Patrol car. It's clean. It's clean. It's got the illegal tint. I mean, I want the spotlight back on it though. Put a light bar on that bitch. Man, not bad. 9,500 bucks though. Ugh, with 100,000 miles, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. You could make a sleeper out of that bitch though. That'd be a sleeper on the street. All right, what else we got out here? We got a Land Rover Discovery Sport 2017. They want $24,500 for this one. 2.0 liter, 240 horsepower. If you didn't know, the 2.0 liter in this vehicle is actually manufactured by Ford. That means it's basically a Ford Escape. I know people get mad at me for saying that, but it's true. Ford still shares technology with Tata, who now owns Land Rover or Range Rover, and Land Rover, and they use Ford power plants still in some of their vehicles. So there is that. All right, and then we got a Honda Accord with no tags on it. Looks clean though. Those rims look hideous, but hey, to each their own. 2004 Honda Accord, great condition, runs great, no problems. 173,000 miles, 5-speed manual. But there's 41.99. He wants 4,199 bucks for it. I don't know if that's a bad price or not for a Honda Accord, but it does look clean. If it doesn't have any check engine lights or anything like, I would get that pinstripe at a detailer taken off, because it looks ratchet with that broken ass pinstripe. Yo, Fix Bro says, ooh, that's my style. All right, I don't think, oh, it is. This Dodge Ram is for sale. Let's take a look at this Dodge Ram. Ram 1500 in the house. Dodge Ram 1500 in the house. If you guys don't follow on Instagram, if you guys happen to tune into this premiere late on YouTube, we're actually live streaming on Instagram. You can say hi to everybody on Instagram. So I do a lot of stuff early on Instagram before I put it on YouTube. All right, for sale, 2017 Ram 1500 with 50,000 miles. They're asking 21,500. No leather seats. Say it with me. Ooh, pass. Now, this Lexus has been here forever. And I mean forever. This Lexus has been here since what? December, November of last year. We've looked at it multiple times. It's a 1996 LS. What is it, 400? I don't remember what the LS was on it, but it's got a ding in the back, the whole nine. But they want like $4,500 for this car. They want too much money for it. That's why it's still here. If it's an eco diesel, it's a good price. Yeah. Somebody wanted to see the I'm gonna snatch your kids and do something bad Dodge Ram van. The hashtag free candy, hashtag 1997 Dodge 3500. It's got 49,000 original miles, 15 passenger, great church or daycare van. 8,900 bucks. 8,900 bucks. What do you guys think about that? I mean, this would be a good, you know, like for those people that do the van life shit, like you could do a massive conversion in something this big. You got all kinds of room in here. Like, yeah, you could literally pop this into like turn this into a little RV or something. Huh. Well, I don't know, man. I think I'd have to get a wrap. Shout out to T Rose. I might have to get T Rose to get me a wrap and put free candy all the way down the side. No, I'm just playing. All right, let's see what else we got out here today. We got a Volkswagen Passat. I'm going to immediately say, miss me with that shit. No, I'm just playing. Yo, Volkswagen got me so mad right now. That Jetta. Oh, look at this. 07, second owner. 158,000 miles highway, it says. Yeah, okay. 6,200. I was like, nope. All right, next, we gotta get this Ford Super Duty. It looks like somebody lowered this a little bit. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of lowered trucks. Not big trucks, anyway. Power stroke with the 6.7. It's an F350. Ooh. And they only want 18,200. It's a 2013. And it's got, look at that. EGR delete. It's got the EGR delete. Yeah, they bulletproofed that joint. Yeah, so now this one, at 18,000, this one might be worth it. This truck, now see, I need a four-door cab. I'm not a fan of the, you know, secondary, third door, whatever BS. I like a full four-door cab, but that's just me. That's just me. But look at that exhaust. Look at that exhaust. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. And it's just the tip, though. You know, this is like the dudes that be like, yo, baby, just the tip. Tip me big as shit. Then you get back here and you be like, yo, what happened? Ladies are like, TK, you stop clowning. All right. Leather seats? Nope. Nah. It's nice. But yeah, whatever. All right, next. Let's get over here and look at some of these bikes. We'll check out these in a minute. All right. Look at this Triumph Street Triple R. It's a 675. Not bad. They want 5,700. Miss me with all that. 2017 Harley Davidson Breakout. They want 16,900. Suggested retail price on it is 21,000. Average retail 16,900. So he's asking for 16.9 or best offer on this one right here. That's not bad. That bitch is clean though, boy. Ooh, that thing is clean. That thing is clean. All right, then we got a 2006 Custom. With an S&S motor, I guess. Okay. No price. It says call for details. That tells you that, yo, say what? Oh, they put a bag over it to keep it from getting wet. I was like, yo, did somebody literally put a bag and some tape on that joint? Wow. All right. Which brings us to what I think is going to be the star of today's video. Look at this Trans Am, man. Look at this Trans Am. Oh my God. I will overpay. I will buy this shit, paint it black, put that Knight Rider shit on the front. Yo, man. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Trans Am. Even the paint looks good. I don't even know if I'd mess with the paint. 10,000. Okay, what are they? Let's see. How many miles? New parts, original rims, 10,000 or best offer. New motor. It's got a LT1 V8, 10,000 miles on a brand new motor. I don't know, man. The LT1's a pretty good motor. The LT1's a pretty good engine. That thing right there is clean as F, man. Look at that. Woo! Oh, man. Oh, no. Look at the paint. Crow's feet. Look at the crow's feet in the paint. Do you guys see that? I'm showing it on live at the same time. Let me get the sun in it. Do y'all see that now? No, no. If it's starting right there on the rear quarter, it's going to do it in other places too. That sucks. You got to take that down to the metal. Well, I'd have to negotiate that price. And then we got an X-Drive BMW X3 M Sport, basically. It's an M Sport. They want, it's a 2013, they want $15,810. Whoo! Yeah, miss me with all that. You gotta miss me with all that. I'm sorry. Oh, it's an X1. Why did I say it was an X3? Ooh, wow. I'm over here looking like a cold dumbass. It's an X1. This is like a, nah. And then, to wrap things up, we got a Ford Thunderbird V8. Now, this thing is in really good condition. This thing is clean. Look at this, man. Now, the headlights, I would probably sand and clear coat. But damn, and the bumper is starting to fade. You can see where the red is getting a little faded up at the top. But it's nothing bad, though. Damn, that thing is clean, man. Jesus Christ, that car is clean. They want $18,500. And at that point, miss me with all of that. Yo, you got 62,000 miles on it. It is a Ford, man. Come on, man. It's a Ford. You can't do that, man. You can't ask that much money, even if it's a nice Ford. I'm just kidding. I'm just talking shit. Anyways, there it is. Oh, I think we got a Subaru over here, right? We can catch that on the way back. The X1, well, yeah. Isn't y'all's gas prices in South Africa ridiculous too? I'm answering comments in the live stream on Instagram, guys. Yeah, I know. Oh, this one's got rust. Look at the rust over that fender. What do you want to guess? New York license plates? Nope, it's here in North Carolina. Oh, it's from here too. How do you get rust? And look, if you're not taking care of the car. How much do they want? Oh, they only want $3,300 for this. Oh, it's only an Impreza. I'm sorry. They tried to make it look like it was a WRX. Miss me with that bullshit. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's it for the military lot walk around. Well, guys, that's going to do it for the military lot walk around. I don't know if I'm going to add something else into this video or not. Probably will. But yeah, thank you guys very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And we'll continue on with the video if I got anything else to add into it. And if not, I'll catch you on the next one.